When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today's video is my first spring cleaning for 2021, and it's a collab with Amy Darley and some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. We've all teamed up together to bring you some wonderful spring cleaning motivation, so please check out their channels too. So today I'm going to be cleaning my windows and the windowsills and the ceiling fans, which are crazy dusty, as well as my baseboards. And you guys, I have a wonderful trick to cleaning the baseboards that I'm sharing with you today. I'm getting behind the couch, everything. So lastly, a little bit of spring decor that I'm going to be sharing with you as well. So if you are ready for some spring cleaning motivation and decor, please stay tuned. So first off, I'm here in my bedroom and I'm just going to make my bed because my main focus is to get these window sills and casings clean from all the mold spores, and especially here in Florida, it's really bad. So they are so dirty, and I know the bedroom and the bathroom build up more dust than any other room in the house. So it's important to regularly dust and to wipe and vacuum them. So I'm going to be using the Lysol and the pine scent and some white vinegar because you guys know I love cleaning with vinegar. And I'm going to start here wiping the windows down first because I know I don't get to these often enough.
I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better, and baby you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come
As I'm looking back doing this voiceover, I see how the wind is blowing outside and how the trees are blowing here in the windows. I know that in most parts of the world it's crazy snowing, super cold, but here in Florida today is actually 66 degrees and it's pretty cloudy, which that's a little bit, it's not cold, but it's a little bit cool for here in Florida. It's actually the perfect weather here. Later this week it is going to be like 85, but I just wanted to say, like, I know Florida does have crazy weather. Ours will be the hurricanes that are going to be coming the latter part of this year. Lots of rain and things like that. But I know the snow that I'm seeing in everyone's Instagram pictures and snaps is absolutely beautiful. It's breathtaking, some of the views that I'm seeing. But so comment below, tell me what your weather is like where you're at.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
All right, you guys, so now I'm just going through and wiping the blinds down, which are also crazy, dusty, dirty, and I'm just using my microfiber cloth and the pine sol and vinegar to do that. And I wish that you guys could smell in here already. It smells amazing. I've only done this one window and blinds, and it smells absolutely amazing. I love a citrus scent, especially when cleaning, along with my vinegar. So tell me what you guys clean with. What scents do you like for your house to smell like whenever you're done?
Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego.
my end table out. Look at this. This is crazy dirty back here. So I'm gonna just grab my Dyson vacuum and just vacuum up some of this dust and dirt that's down here behind my end table, because I haven't gotten back here in a while, so it definitely needed my touch. And the trick that I wanted to share with you guys for cleaning baseboards is using a fabric softener sheet. I was watching someone on YouTube, I cannot remember who it is, and if you're watching this video and it was you, please comment below. But this is one of the best tricks ever. I have cleaned baseboards over the years, and I normally use a microfiber cloth and whatever cleaner that I have that's wet. But let me tell you, with the dust, it's hard to get dust off when it's wet. So this dryer sheet did the job, and you guys, it totally pulled the dust off of the baseboards as well as the wall, and it did a fantastic job. I highly recommend you guys give it a try. On this one, I have bounce dryer sheets that I'm currently using, so that's what I'm using to clean all of my baseboards and wainscoting off in this particular video. But you guys, I am super stoked about how great it pulled that dust off of the baseboards and off of the walls. So definitely give it a try.
Go on, blow up your ego. Your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here.
Okay, so now moving on to the ceiling fan, and I need one of those nice little dusters that I see people have. That way I am tall, so I can still reach the fans on my tippy toes. But I do need to get one of those long extended poles to clean my ceiling fans going forward. But I figured this would be a great time to also jump in here and introduce myself. So if you guys are new here, my name is Malicia and my channel is LOFGREN Life. I'm so happy that you are here. I make cleaning videos and decorating and all things homemaking every single week, and I would love for you guys to subscribe if you're not, and give this video a like if you like it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I am so grateful for each of you, and I hope that you join my YouTube family on this YouTube journey with me. So now I'm going to move on to just vacuuming the floor, and as you can see, all of the dust from the fan that fell on the floor as well as me. I'm sure you guys probably saw it, but I'm going to get that all vacuumed up now.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.
Okay, you guys, so this is it for the bedroom that I'm doing for today in this part of my spring cleaning video. And let me tell you, I know it's gotten dark outside, so you probably can't see through the windows, but let me tell you guys, it looks like it is so much clearer outside, and I don't even have my glasses on. So either it's just in my mind that I know my windows are now clean, behind my end tables are clean, the ceiling fan is blowing out much more cooler air. I know it probably sounds crazy, but that's exactly how it feels to me right now. And with the pine sol lemon scent that's in here, it just smells amazing. So I'm moving on to my living room, and in here I'm going to start straightening up in here and then get behind the couch because it's a mess. And I'm also going to be taking down my winter decor that is up in here too.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good
Okay, you guys, yes, here I go again with my Bounce Fabric Softener Sheet. And actually, I thought about it. It was Brittany Serrato. And if you have not checked her channel out, she has amazing content. She lives in Arizona with her 2 girls and her husband. Her video is the one that I saw cleaning. I think she was cleaning her bathroom and she was getting the dust off the wall and the baseboards with a fabric softener sheet. This is the best trick ever for cleaning your baseboards and wainscoting, you guys. Definitely, please give it a try. Seriously. I would not recommend anything to you guys if I don't love it myself.
Good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
Yes, you guys, real life dust collection going on over here. So after I wiped it down, even with the Swiffer, there were still some spots on the blade tips that I saw. So I just went and got my microfiber cloth along with the vinegar and the Pine Sol, and I'm just wiping that off to get those edges clean as well. And just so I'm thinking about it too, you guys, I do have an Instagram, which is at LOFGRENLIFE. I'll put it right here in across the screen so you can see it. I would definitely love for you guys to come follow me over at Instagram as well, and that way you can see more day-to-day things that goes on in my everyday life instead of just waiting for the YouTube video to come up. So please go over and follow me there, and we can talk more in the DMs too. Tell me what you normally do do you guys decorate for spring, or do you just wait until the summer? Maybe you don't decorate at all. I would love to know what outside activities you like to do. For us, I know we love to do bicycle riding. I try to plant a garden. We normally probably do some upkeep around the house as far as our landscape goes, you know, putting down new mulch, things like that. Spring normally triggers us to go and purchase that because it's also on sale that time of year as well. So I would love to hear from you guys what you do when the springtime hits. Just comment below.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh. True to love. Ooh,
gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and you got tons of spring cleaning motivation. If you did, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next few days. Bye.